It's like rap, you stop everything and restart, you don't have to do that. Like, just keep going if you mess up. Because I messed up a line and I stop everything, like, hey, yeah, I messed up. So they're like, okay, so what are you doing? Keep going. You know, obviously in music we would stop it. So again, learning more. But yeah, I think that was challenging. Anything else you recall from the set? Any funny stories?
Well, I remember our first fight scene that we filmed, which was extremely powerful, and I feel like that was the moment when at least you felt so connected to acting at that point. I could see that, and I think that was really cool. Do you remember that?
I kind of remember that, yeah.
Yeah.
So there's fights. Yeah.
There's a big fight scene. You should look forward to that.
So we didn't see that fight in the teaser?
Fight.
I don't think so. I don't think it's... Is it in the teaser?
No, there's no fight.
Yeah,
no fight,
so
yeah.
we'll have to check it out when it comes out this Friday.
My question is, Bohemia, for you, was it a struggle or just a piece of cake? So I'm talking about acting. Was it a struggle for you or just a piece of cake?
Wow, you're just gonna be like
Because either way, I'll be a jerk, right? No, I haven't had any. When it came to my music, my artistic life, I haven't ever had struggle. Speaking in English is struggle. Yeah, like driving a car is a struggle. Seriously. Learning all these new apps and all that. That's making art. That's to me, that's ventilation. That's breathing. That's being a fish in the water. That's no struggle. Like that. If you stop